To send a Zelle payment from Capital One, you must first add your recipient. This can only be done through the Capital One mobile app. Start by opening the app on your phone and signing in with your username and password. On the dashboard, you'll see your account balances. Select the account you want to use with Zelle. From the account screen, find and tap the Send Money with Zelle button. You may be prompted to try a new feature, such as using a QR code, but you can opt to continue without it. On the Zelle dashboard, scroll down to the Manage Recipients option and tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can see a list of your existing recipients. Tap Add a new recipient to proceed. Enter the new recipient's name and contact information, which can be a phone number or email, and then tap the Add Recipient button. Capital One will warn you if the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet, but you can confirm and continue. Once you've completed these steps, you'll see a confirmation that the new Zelle recipient has been added to your Capital One account.